name is Sai Ganesh. I'm doing a marketing project.
என்னப்பா?
I'm from the marketing team.
இருக்கட்டும், என்ன இப்போ?
Sir.
சொல்லுப்பா.
I come to show your product.
இல்ல அதெல்லாம் வாணாப்பா. books நிறைய இருக்குப்பா. engineering books நிறைய இருக்குப்பா.
Sir, please sir, you listen to me once sir.
அட வாணாப்பா. socks கூட நிறைய இருக்கு சார். வாணா.
Sir, I'm not here to sell socks sir.
அட இருப்பா. நிறைய இருக்கு. products நிறைய இருக்குது வீட்ல. எதோ வாணா.
Sir, please sir, listen to me once sir.
அட பரவாயில்லப்பா.
Sir, you listen to me sir.
டேய் இருடா.
Welcome. We are the Good Boys. Welcome back to our channel. We are back with another brand new video. Today we'll be looking at the RoadGods laptop backpack. And let's get started.
Payback kamikranappa.
This bag comes in two variants. The daring texture for rugged and casual usage, which comes with a cost of 2,200 rupees. The premium smooth finish for formal usage with a cost of 2,350 rupees.
The only difference between these two bags is the material quality.
The daring texture is made of a rough finish which is good for everyday and casual use, whereas the other variant is made of a smooth leather material which is good for formal use.
The build quality of this bag is excellent. The material used for the zippers and the velcro is very good. Coming to the looks, it has a premium design along with the Gods logo on the front and on the straps, which enhances the looks of the bag. Also, the logo used on the bag is made of reflective material. This bag is also water resistant but not waterproof. The material used on the front of the bag repels water. Additionally, a rain cover can be purchased at a cost of rupees 200. Now coming to the features of this bag, the main feature of this bag is its anti-theft design. There are no zippers on the front and the sides of the bag. There are zippers only at the back. One main zipper and two small zippers on the back of the bag. In case you travel in public transport, no one will be able to open your bag without your knowledge. The two side pockets are quite big and can easily accommodate a water bottle or a power bank, which is very useful. Now let's open the main compartment, which opens up to 180 degrees. This compartment is for laptop and it can support laptops up to a size of 15.6 inches. After this, there is a big compartment for files and folders. There are smaller pockets for pen drives and other smaller items. There are also two tangle-free cable organizers provided with this bag. There is a mesh compartment for a laptop charger. And here there is a large space where you can accommodate books or clothes. There are two pockets with elastic opening. On the top, there are two small spaces which are called the shoulder compartment. There is also a sunglass pocket with a zipper. On its strap, there is a quick access pocket for tickets, ID cards and money. This is very useful when you travel a lot. This backpack excels in comfort and the handle is made of very good quality. It can be quite cumbersome to access the zips. There is no bottom padding for the laptop compartment. This bag comes with 1 year of warranty and do not forget to claim your free gift when you register for the warranty.
Alright, this is my take on this product. The build quality is excellent. It does provide anti-theft capabilities, but sometimes it can get quite cumbersome to remove the strap of your shoulders to access the zips. Other than this, it can be overlooked and the bag is excellent and you can definitely go for this product. Okay.
ஒரு ஹாப்பி ஃபேஸ் வச்சுக்கோ, அதுதான்.
நன்றி.
Thank you for watching our videos. Please do like our videos.
அப்படியே உங்க அன்பான வார்த்தைகள் மறுபடியும் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க,
ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க,
அப்படியே சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. போலாமா?
Hey, wait.
என்னப்பா?
Please hit the bell icon for notifications.